Good morning, student. We are all completed worksheet. Okay, today we are going to start answer key. Answer key. We see Roman letter 1. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First question. The circle is one of the dash tenses. Okay. Modern or olden? Which one is correct answer? Yes, correct. Very good. Modern. Okay. Modern. M-O-D-E-R-N. Okay. Modern. Okay. Next, second question. We need pure air, protected water and dash food for our healthy life. Okay. Healthy life. Junk or hygienic? Which one is correct answer? Yes, very good. Hygienic. H-Y-G-E-N-I-C. Hygienic. Okay. Hygienic. Next, third question. We make idiyappam by dash method, boiling or steaming. Which one is correct answer? Very good. Steaming. Okay. Steaming. N-G. Okay. Clear? Next. Next we say Roman letter 2. Write yes or no. Write yes or no. First question. Biryani is a raw food. It is yes or no? Correct. Very good. No. Answer is no. Okay. Next question. Second question. Frying is a method of cooking. Frying is a method of cooking. Okay. Yes or no? Yes. No. Yes. Next, third question. We can cook rice on a dawa. We can cook rice on a dawa. It is a right? Yes or no? No. Answer is no. Okay. Fourth question. You should wash your hand before cooking. It is yes or no? Yes. Answer is yes. Okay. Next. Fifth question. Vegetables or fruits should be washed after cutting. Yes or no? Answer is no. Answer is no. Okay. Next. We say answer. Next we say answer the following. Answer the following. Okay. First question. Name any 3 cooking methods. Name any 3 cooking methods. Answer. Answer is boiling. B-O-I-L-I-N-G. Boiling. Next, steaming. S-T-E-A-M-I-N-G. Steaming. Next, packing. B-A-K-I-N-G. Packing. Okay? Clear? Now, once again repeat. Name any 3 cooking methods. Answer for boiling, steaming, packing. Okay? Okay, student. Last class we will see the cooking methods, cooking habits. Okay. Today we see the cooking utensils. Next, cooking in clay pot. Meal time. Next, meal time hygiene. Food during illness. Food during illness. Food wastage. Okay. Food wastage. Okay, so cooking utensils. Cooking utensils. In your house, which type? In your house, which types of vessels are using most of the house? In your house, which types of vessels are using most of the house? Aluminium or silver vessels are using. Okay, aluminium and silver, ever silver vessels are using. Okay, next we see cooking utensils. Cooking utensils. Okay, cooking Tensile. Yes. What is mean by tensile? Cooking, how kitchen item. For example, spoon, plate, teapot, okay, cooker, rice cooker, dawa, okay, etc. Okay. Cooking utensils. What's mean by cooking utensils? The utensils are in a different shapes and size. Different shapes and size. Okay. Different shapes and size. Okay. Size. Utensils, different shapes and size. Okay, utensils are in different shapes and size. Okay, we use specific utensils for each cooking. Okay, we use specific utensils for each cooking methods. For each cooking methods. Okay, clay pot were used earlier. Okay, steel and aluminium vessels are now generally used for cooking. Stainless steel. Okay, stainless steel and aluminium vessels are now generally used for cooking. Okay, stainless steel. S-T-A-I-N. Stainless steel. L-E-S-S. Stainless steel. S-T-E-E-L. Stainless steel and aluminium vessels and Indian aluminium aluminium vessels. Okay, V-E-S-S-E-L-S. Aluminium vessels are now generally used for cooking. Okay, here cooking utensils are in different shapes and size. Okay, Okay, we use specific utensils for each cooking methods. Clay pot were used earlier. Stainless steel and aluminium vessels are now generally used for cooking methods. Okay, clear? Cooking utensils. Next we see cooking in clay pot. Okay, cooking in clay pot. Okay, cooking in clay pot. Okay, clay pot. Cooking in clay pot. What is meant by cooking in clay pot? Clay pots are well studied. Clay pots are well studied for all types of cooking. Okay, well suited. For all types of cooking. Okay, for all types of cooking. Suited, S-U-T-E-D. Suited for all types of cooking. Okay, cooking in a clay pot. Okay, clay pot are well suited for all types of cooking. Okay, for all types of cooking. Okay, suited. S-U-I-T-E-D. Suited for all types of cooking. Cooking in a clay pot. Okay, impress. Okay. Improve the quality and taste. Of food. Okay, taste and quality. Okay, taste and quality. the food and also return the nutrients. Okay, food and also return the nutrients. Okay, quality and taste. Okay, quality, QUL, quality and taste, TASTE. Okay, quality and taste of food and also return the nutrients. Okay, return the nutrients. Return the nutrients. RITNTS. Okay, return the nutrients. Okay, return the nutrients. Okay, return the nutrients. Cooking in a clay pot. Cooking in a clay pot. Cooking in a clay pot are well suited for all types of cooking. For all types of cooking, cooking in a clay pot. Cooking in a clay pot. Okay, they improves the quality and taste. The quality and taste. Okay, quality and taste of food. Quality and taste of food, and also return the nutrients. Clear? Okay, cooking in a clay pot. Clay pot are well suited for all types of cooking in a clay pot. The improves the quality and taste of food. And also return and nutrients. Okay, return and the nutrients. Next, the natural insulation. The properties of clay. Gas heat and moisturize to balance and circulate throughout pot and keep the nutrients uncompounded. Okay, here uncompounded and prevent the dust from burning. Okay, dust from burning. Okay, what is mean by cooking in clay pot? Clay pot are well suited. For all types of cooking. Okay, cooking in clay pot. Okay, the improves the quality and taste of food. And also return the nutrients. Okay, clear? Next, benefits of clay pot cooking are. Okay. Benefits of clay pot cooking. Okay. Benefits of clay pot cooking are. Okay. Benefits. Benefits. Okay. Benefits of clay pot. Clay pot cooking. Okay. Clay pot cooking. Okay. Benefits of clay pot. Okay. Benefits of clay pot cooking are. First point, easy to digest. Okay. Easy to digest. Okay. First point. Easy to digest it. Okay. First point, easy to digest it. DIGEST. Okay, easy to digest it. Okay, easy to digest. Okay. Second point, needs less oil for cooking. Okay, needs less oil. Needs okay, needs less oil. Needs less oil for cooking. Okay, for cooking. First point, easy to digest. Easy to digest. Second point, needs less oil for cooking. Needs less oil for cooking. Okay. Third point, keeps the food from become a long time. Okay. Keep the food warm. Okay. Keep the food warm. Keep the food warm. Keep the food warm. Warm means heat. Okay. Warm means heat. Okay. Keep the food warm for a long time. For a long time. For a long time. Okay. First point, easy to digest. Easy to digest. Second point, needs less oil for cooking. Third point, keep the food warm. Warm means heat. Warm means heat. Okay. Warm means heat for a long time. Okay. Long time. Next point, add flavor to the dish. Add flavor to the dish. Fourth point, add flavor to the dish. Okay. To the dish. Okay. Add flavor to the dish. Okay. Clear? First point, easy to digest. Second point, needs less oil for cooking. Third point, keep the food warm for a long time. Okay. And fourth point, add flavor to the dish. Okay. Clear? Benefits of clay pot cooking. Okay. Benefits of clay pot cooking are easy to digest. Okay. Second, needs less oil. Okay. This means low. Needs less oil for cooking. Okay. Third one, keep the food warm. Warm means heat. Okay. Warm means heat for a long time. Okay. Add flavor to the dish. Okay. Clear? Okay. Once again repeat, cooking in a clay pot. Clay pot are well suited for all types of cooking. Okay. Clay pot are well suited for all types of cooking. Cooking in a clay pot improves the quality and taste of food, and also return the nutrients. Okay. Very important, return the nutrients. Okay. Clear? Next, benefits of clay pot cooking. Okay. First point, easy to digest. And second point, needs less oil for cooking. And third point, keep the food warm for long time. And fourth one, add flavor to the dish. Okay. Clear? Next, we see mealtime hygiene. Okay. Next, we see mealtime hygiene. Okay. Mealtime. Okay. Mealtime hygiene. HYGIENE. Okay. Mealtime hygiene. Okay. Mealtime hygiene. Okay. What is mean by mealtime hygiene? Mealtime hygiene includes. Okay. Mealtime hygiene includes INCLUDES. Okay. Includes. Mealtime hygiene includes way to make sure that we do not get sick because of the Okay, chic. Okay, mealtime hygiene includes way to make sure that we do not sick because of the way we eat or make food. Okay, or make food. Okay, includes way to make sure. Okay, way to make sure that we do not get sick. Okay, that we do not get sick. Okay, that we do not get sick because sick. Let's say sick because of the way we eat or make food. Okay, some of the hygienic ways of taking food. Okay, some of the hygienic hygiene, very important, hygienic ways of taking food. Okay, hygienic ways of taking food. Hygienic ways of take food. Okay, 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 the mealtime hygiene includes. Okay, mealtime hygiene includes way to make sure that we do not. Okay, the mealtime hygiene includes way to make sure that we do not get sick. Because of the way we eat or make food. Okay, some of the hygienic ways of taking food. Taking food. Okay, sorry. Taking food. Okay, sorry. Take food. Taking food. Okay. Taking food. Taking food or given. Okay, taking food or given flow. Okay, more there are points. Mealtime hygiene. Okay, next we see mealtime hygiene points. Okay. Next we see mealtime hygiene. Some more points. Okay, give some more point. Okay, first point, easy fresh food. Okay, eat fresh food always. Okay, eat fresh food always. Okay, eat fresh food always. Easy fresh food always. Okay, food always. Okay, easy fresh food always. Okay, eat fresh food always. Eat fresh food always. Okay, eat fresh food always. And second point. Next, second point, avoid taking food that is too cold or too hot. Okay, cold means chill. Cold means cooling. Okay, cold means cooling. Okay, cold means cooling or too hot. Okay, avoid taking food that. Avoid taking food that. Okay, avoid. Second point, avoid taking food that too cold. C-O-L-D. Cold means cooling. Okay, cold means, for example, ice cream, cool drinks. Okay, cold, too cold and cold or too hot. Okay, hot. Hot. Okay, First point, eat fresh food always. Okay, eat fresh food always. Okay, second point, avoid taking food. Avoid taking food. Avoid taking food that too cold or too hot. Okay, or too hot. Okay. And third point, avoid fast food and avoid fast food. Okay, avoid fast food. Okay. Third point, avoid fast food. Third point, avoid fast food. Okay. Fast food means avoid fast food. Okay, fast food means fast food, pizza, burger, Pepsi, Coco. Okay, fast food. Okay, avoid to fast food. Okay, and third point, always. Okay, third point, always wash your hand. Okay, always wash your hands. Okay, always wash your hands with soap. Okay, with soap. Okay, with soap before and after eating. Okay, before and after eating, very good. Okay, always wash your hands. Okay, always wash your hands. Fourth point, always wash your hands. Always wash your hand with soap. Okay, with soap. With soap before eating. Before eating. Okay, here before eating. Okay. First point, eat fresh food always. Eat fresh food always. Okay. And second point, avoid taking food that too cold or too hot. Okay. And third one, avoid fast food. Avoid fast food. And fourth one, always wash your hands. Always wash your hands with soap. Okay. With soap before eating. Before eating. Okay, student, clear. Next, we see healthy foods and unhealthy foods. Okay, healthy food and unhealthy food. Okay, healthy food and unhealthy food. Next, student, next we see healthy food and unhealthy food. Okay, you only telling. Okay, student, you only telling. Okay, healthy foods and unhealthy food. Okay, healthy food, unhealthy food. Okay. Healthy foods, unhealthy foods. Okay. Healthy food and unhealthy food. Okay. Okay, student. We already told that cooking. Okay, student, we see healthy food and unhealthy food. Okay, healthy food, vegetables, fruits, nuts, fish, milk. Okay, fish, milk. Okay, etc. Unhealthy food, pizza, burger, Coco, Pepsi, Fanta, Miranda, ice cream. Some sandwich, KFC chicken. Okay, unhealthy food. Okay, so right here, next we see food during illness. Okay, next we see food during illness. Okay. Next we see food during illness. Okay, next we see food during illness. Okay. When we are sick, we should avoid food items. Okay, we should avoid food items that are fried in oil. Okay, that are fried in oil. That are Freed in oil. Okay, freed in oil. Okay, clear? Freed in oil when we sick, when we are sick. Okay, when we are sick, we should avoid food items. Okay, we should avoid food items that are freed in oil. That are freed in oil. We should take energy giving. We should take energy giving. Okay, energy we should giving. We should take energy giving. Okay, energy giving. Energy giving. Okay, energy we should take energy giving. Come on, easy digestible food. Okay, easily digestible food. Okay, easily digestible food. Okay, easily digested, easily food. Okay, easily digestible food. Okay, when we are sick, we should avoid food items that are freed in oil. That are freed in oil. Freed in oil. We should take energy giving. We should take energy giving. Easy digestible. Easy digestible. Okay. Easy digestible. Easy digestible food. Okay. Okay. Some more. Okay, easily digestible food. Okay, easily digestible food. Okay, some of them are given below. Some of them are given below. Okay, what is mean by food during illness? When we are sick, we should avoid food items. We should avoid food items that are freed in oil. Okay, that are freed in oil. We should take every energy taking. Okay, we should take energy giving. Easily digestible. Okay, easily digestible food. Some of them are given below. Okay, given below. Fruit juice, tender coconut. Okay, fruit juice, tender coconut. Steamed food like idli. Okay, steamed foods like idli. Okay, steamed food like idli, idiyappam, etc. Okay. Next, food wastage. Okay. Next, we see food wastage. Next, we see food wastage. Okay. Food wastage. Food wastage. Okay. What is mean by food wastage? What is mean by food wastage? We should not waste food. Okay, we should not waste food. Food that is not eaten is called leftover food. Okay, that is food that is not eaten. Food that is not eaten is called leftover food. That is the discourteous as waste. Following are simple ways to avoid food wastage. Okay, clear student? Student, very carefully. Following are simple ways to avoid food wastage. Okay, avoid to food wastage. Okay, share the excess food. Okay, share the excess food. Give the excess food to hungry animals. Animals means cow, goat. Okay, etc. Okay, student, food lesson over. Clear? Okay, thank you, student.